The best ultimate soft comfy neck traveling pillow. If you're always on the go traveling, or you're just gonna be traveling for the holiday, this is something I definitely highly recommend. What I like about it, you got three position. You could do the head part, you could do the neck, or the upper back from it. This is what comes in the box right here. You have a nice traveling bag that you could put it up and you could pull it tight and it close tight. This is an up close look of it right here. It's gorgeous. Easily zip and remove and washable, very soft. It comes in two colors or three colors, I believe. You could look, I'm going to show you up close. Look at this, soft memory foam. And right here, it's pretty good. It's for relief stress. It's skin friendly fabric, machine washable, memory foam. It's soft and breathable. It's the position here, the three position is a plus. Most of the other travel and pillow, you only could do like one standard. So you got three design of this. It's really easy to use. You just gotta Velcro it. And if you want to put it in the front like this, you're gonna put it in the front for your neck. Support your neck from the front like this, or you want to do the back, you could always you just put this on like this. And what to do, you lift this part up right here, you strap the Velcro in, and that's it. It's really simple and easy to use, very comfortable and soft. I'm telling you, if you have like neck problem or any kind of injury problem, or you slept wrong and you want to be careful, put this on throughout the whole day is better, because this way you don't forget. So especially Christmas and Thanksgiving is coming up, and you don't want to show up at the holiday to your family house or your in-law house and you're half partially injured and you can't move, or you're very uncomfortable. Overall, it's a really good travel neck pillow. It's very soft, memory foam, washable, really nice idea for traveling, or even if you want to give somebody a gift. This is a very thoughtful gift. It's very comfortable, and it's not like cheap or cheesy kind, so it doesn't look like a cheap gift. It looks very expensive, and it has different colors. Check in the description box for price and details, and it also comes with this nice gift bag. Listen, what I like about it, as I said, it's not the standard one which does one position. This actually does three different positions for your neck and your head and your face and stuff like that. So that's a big plus. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Quick review on this right here, and we're gonna give it a thumbs up, definitely.